Good evening. You can hear me. The wind's still blowing about, I think the last time I looked, it was about 21 mile an hour straight out of the south. Then it calms down a little bit and you think, hey, it's going to give you a break. And then all of a sudden you get about a 35, 40 mile an hour gust. It's a beauty tonight as far as sunset goes. I tell you, it's gorgeous. Let's look at it a little closer. A lot of dirt in the air. Yep. Guys are out farming, busting up the dirt. I think like to be somebody flying a long way. Yeah, they ain't flying, they're just flying. State will come out, but I think it's blowing over us, but I don't know. It might be southwards. Gave them plants a little water, a little drink. I don't know if they needed it real bad, but they got it anyway. See, it just calmed down right there, just pretty as you please. But not for very long. But I guess our weather's still better in a lot of places. Something today. I don't know, it gets above 95 and it's good enough. You know, you put around here, you go through them little heat waves just like in the wintertime. You go through them little cold snaps. I think we got 2 more days of this heat and it'll be backing off a little. We'll just enjoy the sunset, let it blow. Hey, well, thanks for watching. Have a great evening. God bless.